I'm sorry to hear that your Canon printer is printing blank pages. This issue can be caused by a few different factors, such as low ink levels, clogged printheads, or incorrect printer settings. To troubleshoot, first check the ink levels in your printer to ensure they are not running low. If the ink levels are fine, try running a printhead cleaning cycle to clear any clogs that may be causing the issue. If the problem persists, double-check your printer settings to make sure they are configured correctly for the type of document you are trying to print. If none of these solutions work, it may be helpful to contact Canon customer support for further assistance. I hope this helps resolve the issue with your printer. Call now 1-833-321-1006.